connection.
Okay, first game natin, Pattaya Squad versus Doña Gracia. Alright, Doña Gracia ay defending champion ng 39 up division. Champion sila ng season 1, guys. Alright. Ayun, nag-shake hands na. Alright. Ating abangan kung sino yung mananalo for the first game.
Ayan na ang Pattaya Squad kontra Doña Gracia. Okay, just check the group chat. All the schedules are there sa group chat. Yes. Okay. First five, Doña Gracia. Jersey number 00, Magle. Number 42, Arroyo. 11, Castillo. Number 3, Sausa. And number 12.
Okay, jump ball between number 0 and 14. Alright, nakuha ni
Malata, Polex, Limbo, Rufino.
Castillo ngayon. May hawak ng bola. Pass ito, Tatsuki.
Ayan, Tatsuki. Castillo.
Sausa.
Sausa.
Arroyo.
Sa loob. Tatsuki, nilabas. Almost. Castillo. Sausa. Napit. Snap and shoot!
Alright, first basket para kay Sausa.
Number 5, stop and shoot, and then Karibag Arroyo, balik kay Castillo. What a team! Castillo, pinalik sa tilog, Totsky! Yes sir! Wala kaling-aling. Ayan, balik tayo number 72, lumikot, using the ball, using the glass. Yes, sir! Kay Arroyo. Huwede, what a catch. What a steal by Arroyo.
Arroyo, Castillo, stop and pop basket para kay Castillo.
Huwede. Pinalik sa gilid. Number 3. Yes, sir! 2 points. Mr. Kumang. Ayan, Mr. Balik kay Mate. Okay, Castillo balik sa gilid. Yes. Tumane, back to Polex, dito. Nakakaw, Castillo. Ang malikot, Castillo using the glass. Yes, sir. Huwede, holding the ball. Back to Huwede, jersey number 30. The 10-second shot clock. Oh, what a steal by Huwede. Huwede is now shoot. 2 points. Yes. Number 15. Back to Saudi Diso. Yes. Okay. Balik number 5. Ayan, Hickey. Ricky using the glass. 2 points. 82. Back to Huwede. Huwede getting the ball. Huwede now, balik kay sa kanya, number 5. It's a long 2. 6. Mark. Alright. Huwalde versus... Oh! Wow, jersey number 22.
Shout out kay bro Julius De La Cruz. All right. Anong game kayo mamaya, bro?
Sayang!
Oh, hapon pa. Pwede ka pang matulog. Para may energy mamaya. Okay. All right.
Ricky seconds. Sonny Diesel. Diesel using the ball. Yes, sir. Team warning.
Score natin 11-21. Doña Gracia.
Yeah. Three.
Okay, that's it for the first quarter.
Sayang. That's the end of our first quarter action. Okay, number 12, si Sante. Balik kay Kimbo. Jersey number 77. Balik sa kanila kay Huwalde ang bola. Huwalde jersey number 5. Alahoy.
Alahoy, pasok.
Tawag namin ko sa Lindoro, Alahoy siya. Pero pasok pa rin. Galing ka, Mr. Huwalde. 2 points. Tresina, showing his moving skills. And number 10, Agaduli. 3 points. What an answer by Mr. Malakad. Mr. Malakad will be the ball. Mr. Malakad left and right. Yes, sir. Okay. Sausa for 3. Nothing but the net. Fakti. Jersey number 3, Sausa. Okay. Number 8, Balik kay Bate. Using the word, iba. Second personal. Score another 15-33, 18 points lead by Team Doña Gracia. Yes. Yes, sir. Kontrolado. Remaining time 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Nice Castillo to Mate. Balik tayo kay PJ Castillo. Sausa for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points, Mr. Remaining time. Back to number 12. Si Sante. Balik tayo kay number 13, Tumanel using the glass. 2 points. Balik kay Castillo taking the ball. And yes, nakahanap ng butas si Coach PJ Castillo. 5. And it's the end of our first introduction between Doña Gracia and Pataya Sport. Number 77, 2 points. To Mangil to Huwalde. What a pass. Rasina, 24 to 77. Balik kay Agaduli. Using the glass. 2 points. Ganda naman. Yes. Nagagulin to 77, back to Tiso. Tiso, yes! Two labas kay number 77, balik kay Crasina, balik sa loob, agagulin, pinalog sa loob. 2 points. And out, Papaya Squad.
Score 17-50, Doña Gracia.
Talakas. And then was his number of Professor Malaban. Malaban using the glass. Yes, sir. Sousa, yes, for 3. Ayan o, number 12, balik kay Polex. Polex, stop and shoot using the glass 2 points. Balik kay Castillo. Castillo sa kisika. Castillo again. Yes, the floater, the signature. Number 5 handshake shirt. Yes, nothing but the net by Mr. Sosa. Balik kay number 47, Malaban. Yes, sir! I'm out, Doña Gracia. Oh, si Sante. Si Sante dribbling the ball, balik sa gilid. Yes, sir! 2 points, number 47. One of the old faces here in our basketball. Yes, Mr. Polex. Okay. Number 72, Malaban using the board. 2 points. Mate, balik kay Castillo, the connection. Yes, sir! Pinagyan mo kay Castillo. Expect some connection. Arroyo, second. Brasina, no Hesi. Yes, no Hesi. Ayan na. 72, Malaban. Yes, sir. 2 points. All right. Okay, ada guling Brasina to Mr. Sonny Tiso. It's all veterans inside the board. Tiso using the board, using the glass. 2 points. 4, 3. Castillo to ada guling, the pride of Palawan. Yes, the pride of Palawan of Selector Rainbow. Yes, sir. Ayan, number 9. Balik sa labas. Inambo. Yes, sir. Look at the shoes. Castillo number 77. Nunez. Alasan. Balik sa loob. Ang ganda ng pasa. Number 8. Yes, yes, number 77. Back to Mr. Malaban. Ayan. Left and right. Ang ganda ng spin ni Agalut. Balik kay Castillo. Castillo with the bounce pass. Yes, sir! 2 points. And what about a steal? Another steal from the Purple Heart. Yes, Arroyo. Okay, Castillo. 10-second shot clock. Long to Mate. Nothing but the net. Number 12. Ayan, Castillo to Sousa. Sousa, 2 points. Sousa. Sousa for Gilman. That's key. Balik kay Sousa. Aski to Sausa. Sausa, yes. Ayan. Balik kay Mr. Lakad sa loob. Ayan. Ayan si Chavez. Balik kay Vidaldor for yes, sir! 1 minute and 40 seconds. And that shot is for that time is good. That shot from Leon Mate is brought to you by UMS. Simulan pa sa ayan. Ada gulit. Balik sa loob. 2 point. Mate. Ada gulit. Lumikot. Yes, sir! Parang sa soyo lang. And that's the end of the ball game. Again, congratulations,
Final score natin, 39-87, Doña Gracia.
Okay.